It's not true. Um, let's see the schedule. MS project scheduling. Scheduling we need it for the whole project management of the duration management, especially, and also resource management. You manage the resource and the duration. You try to finish on time and try to order the work, which one start, which one finish, which one is preceding, which one's the resource also. This project management MS project report or source report or Gantt chart is very helpful. You schedule, you have also in the, for example, if you make it by part, quarter in the year, or you make it by the week. Here is the week, month and the week, like on Tuesday which work, Saturday, for example, from Tuesday till Monday, this Sira, you just have the first Sira, and then you have Friday and other Sira. Let's check it together. Today let's see the MS project. It's very helpful, for example, if you have a project and you want to manage it very well, it's good to follow the schedule. If there is an exception, if there is any delay, you can manage it from here. I will go to options first. Generally, it's a Gantt chart, this one, timeline. Okay, Wednesday, this is the gun. You will start making the Gantt chart from the start of the project. You can, for example, for now just we'll make it from today. Yeah, let's go by this format: month, day, and year. Username, I will write here. And then display Georgian calendar, international calendar. There is another, but we follow always the Georgian calendar, the international. Here it's a project. Here you change the type of the Mika Philippet. We not dollar, it's Ethiopian. A bir we have here. Okay, let's write it here. Bir. Here I couldn't find any bir. Okay, let's make it to the digits. If we increase it 3 digits, like 100. But here Babir Here I couldn't find the pair in these currencies. BMD, BRL, I think BRL. Okay, no. We'll change that I wanted here. USD, no, but there is no. Anyhow, source هلا we check it. You go to the schedule, we can start on Saturday or counted from Saturday. Here you fix all the time and the starting and the ending. January, we start from January. We start time at 6 AM, we finish at 5 PM, 8 hours per week and per month. This is correct. The percentage channel, and then new task created, auto scheduled. Let us really use the schedule, the Gantt chart, and edit now. The schedule task starting date. For the starting date channel, duration is entered by day. The duration by day. Work is entered in hours. Okay. Fixed units by unit. Okay. We finished from here. This is to check the language you want to use. You want Amharic, Arabic. We will use the English. We need just this. Anyhow, we have here the ID. It will give you our task mode. Let's start, finish. Now there is a sign, and here the task name with the descriptions of the work. You have duration. Before it, we will insert, and then we will write, for example, text. The unit. Let's make it text 1, and then you will go to the field setting, and in this text 1 I will write unit, and the unit is in text. If I want it left or center, that's off. This is the style of the writing. For example, here it comes center, but if you wanted to make it left, the style of the text will be like this. If you want, you go to the field setting, and then you design the row, each row and column and text or style. Like I wanted this big, or you can just do it like this. Okay. For unit, I don't need this all. It will Okay, and then we'll insert another column, which is I will make it number for the quantity. Will make it by number, and this will help us when we make the format of the rate of the amount, which is rated by the quantity. This will make it a number, quantity. Like this, or quantity method. Okay, make it center. This white is good. Quantity. And then I will insert another column, which is rate, and this will make it cost 1. I will go field cost 1. I will make it rate. Center. We have unit, quantity, rate, and the duration. I can make also, then we'll fix the format. Before the duration or after the, okay, let's make it after the duration. Here, I'll make cost 2. Think I want it or not. Let's finish all, and then when we start copy paste, we will check the other details. We have here time scale of the Gantt chart. Let's get here, of course, the designs. Okay, if I say top, like Saturday, Monday, Sunday, and month and day. Two bottom is okay. This is I will go to the middle. In the top by month. Okay, it's okay. Quarter. In the middle, which is here, it's week. Here. If we make it quarters, like first quarter, second quarter. And there is a year. October. No, it's better to make it week, like this. Which design? This is good. Like September and then 24. Here is the year, here is the month. Count 1. This quarter 1. Or from the 2, no, from the 1 is better. This is the skull, how big you want it, like what is good. Okay, the bottoms. The bottom here in years, but if you want, let's make it months. What's different? Okay. If I want to make it like here in years, and then in the bottom months, September, October, November, you can change like this in the top, on the middle in years, so after it September, October, maybe like this is good also. Or make it a month, which is more detail and it's better, on the bottom in days or in weeks. Okay, change the format here, it's like this, it's better. September's day. Yeah, this is that's good. Here the design, January, February. Like this is better. By 1 September 1. Let's come here, the final position, make it quarter, then here month. This is better. Fourth quarter, first quarter of the year, in September, October, November, December. This is good. We can buy this, we will go. Okay, this is good. Anyhow, you can design it as you want. First quarter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, then January, February, and this. Okay, it's nice. Here I have one example from doing the I think there was a charata and I tried to get in. I done my best actually to prepare the documents for the first time. I follow the documents they give us and what they required documents, and they ask us also for the work we will do or for the scheduling, to make a schedule for the work we plan to do it. And there was some demolishing, carpet and joinery, maintenance. There was a lot of sanitary نكتل. So I will go to the BOQ, any BOQ, يتسرى BOQ, or you write immediately the search by order, or just copy paste from here the BOQ because it's already just copy this one. Because Rasul, he will order it. I will go to the task name. Look at the mode. He already put it by item here. So after we finish, we will fix the source نعمل, and then this one will be changed. Copy paste all the sira, or you write the specification of the items in order that you will work in. This is the Gantt chart. By the way, this MS project هو شيء يمتشرشوا I think نهاوي الليال again تنشنو من لايو you can find من ليلة ID لال كذا إزي تصافل إزي أهون إزي رنجارقو تنشنو من لايو ستايل نجي let's check the here why it's not changed like okay, I found it. It's an ATV. I was searching for ETL. Okay, ber, and then now it's changed to ber. Okay, hula digit if you want 3 digit after the point or the dots you can add, but it's enough 2 digits. Anyhow, we will try now to copy the units. Paste, or you for the existing group sheet and for the ceiling. Okay, we started by the demolishing. You can the font, the size, everything you can design it from here. And then the quantity, sent quantity, you go to the contract quantity. Sost and sosto sir. Meter square, sost meter square. Okay, it's a very little area, small area. And then we will go to the duration. Me, I want in the 0 to omit it, but either the work or okay, we'll check it later. Close it. Anyhow, we are in the Gantt chart. This is for the demolish. High tech. Or let's here finish it. Contract price, which is the rate. For those two. Clear. And want this. I'd like this to be okay. This is the rate, and then I want to choose first and second work duration. For example, for chipboard ceiling, it's demolishing. It will take from me 3 or 4 days, or you can even make it by percent, like in the week for 20% ونجرسالن هيسرا or anyhow, or you can arrange it back. For example, basement, this work will take from me 4 5 days, 6. مستقر. Yeah. For example, demolishing the ceiling would not take that much, 4 5 days, I think. The color is so right time. Look, when I increase it appears here. I want to change the color, but okay. And then immediately in the Gantt chart will show you how many the length of the days. It will mark it. And then you have here for existing roof sheet. Will take, for example, 10 days or like this. But if it's soft meter, no, it will not take 1 day. For soft meter square, even not 1 day. Okay. Anyhow, to show you just the process, logical time, you have to put the days. Then you can a percent, like 70% of this task must be finished in 3 days or 4 days. Also, you can just in assignment 4% أراد كان كويس like this. حسب تشيللاችሁ days كان مسقمط እዚህ want to fix the format and ቢሆን አሪፍ ነው። And now we will come to the amount, contract amount. Here I need to make a format because the contract amount it's cost. It's cost. Okay. I have to, yes, here. There we go. I'll take number, which is what the quantity. I put it in number. And then Zibaza cost 1, which is the rate that I named it, cost 1. Quantity بريت amount يا مطلنا. This is the formula. Yes, okay. Rule up, we need the sum at the end. And this is how you fix the formula. Home immediately he أبغى the quantity rate. هيا زتين. Because at the end of the work he will give you the sum of all the amount here, and it will becomes like the bill of quantity. On higher زتين for cheap wedding. Let's check it. Yeah, higher زتين همسمته has higher زتين همسمته has. So our formula is correct. And then start finish. Here we will there is a task proceeding, and when selling ship wood selling, or we will make, for example, I will begin with this work, existing roof sheet demolition. After it immediately I will make the ship, so one is proceeding and one like after this end finish to start, it will be this will begin, this will begin, and everything will be shown in here in the Gantt chart. For example, if I add another works like the carpentry, because I need I will copy paste smooth lambudo, or if not, to check everything, all the quantity estimated or more than one work. Okay, and then I have also the quantities. I will copy them. It's from here to copy. Apply and fix is the first one. This one. It is. Task. Reload. Supply and fix smooth. No. Already make a request, that's why. continue making preparing the MS project or Microsoft or management software. We finished the quantity, rate, and then amount, and then the date. To start the date and to arrange the date start and finish, either manual as I used to before I write it, or automatic, and then I change it now to the automatic, which is better. From here you go schedule, percentage project, and then you have new task created, auto scheduled. Before I clicked on manual. Auto is better. Once you write 9 days or immediately will schedule it from the date you prepared this, or from the date you choose to start. It's here, you can decide from here. Or stick here, week start on. If I said Monday, immediately according to the calendar he will start arranging. So I choose on Monday, and then it start counting from Monday, from today, from yesterday actually. I said because the week starts from the Monday. If I said Tuesday, we started working for Tuesday, he will start counting from the Tuesday. So depending on your calendar or the day you want to be managed. Okay. Good Monday, nice. It's just out. Okay. Yesterday because anyhow. We'll say okay. And then I will if you can also, if you have problem in fixing the dates, like it was previous project or gonna after 2 months you are preparing before this schedule, you have to change also the calendar of your laptop or computer just to match with the schedule, and then after you print it you can return your laptop to the date you want. We used to do this anyhow. Now starting from the Monday, I have these tasks. For me this task will take 9 days, I said, so it will start on Monday. From the day I started, I said I will start the work on Monday, and it will finish on immediately. He will calculate for you the date because it's on 9 days, so it will finish on 9 on September 26 حيارات. So from 16 16. Okay, and this is 9 days. So already he calculated for you the date. If I said this will take the existing roof sheet, this task will take 10 days, so it will start from the first date you said you will start the work on. Here the timeline of the work schedule. This is the timeline. It's about the time management and resource, so it's about you have to check all the time, and then it will finish on Friday 9 ساعات. هون I said this is 9 days, this is 10 days, but I didn't say ማንም يجمرو መቼ ይጀምራል መቼ ይሄ ያልቃል። ሁለቱም አንድ ላይ ይሄ relationship between ሁለቱም task or work። ስለዚህ to make it clear መቼ proceeding ማን ስራ our task proceed ያደርጋል፣ ከዛ ማን success ያደርገው። Proceed it's before this is the first, and then successor task is after. Relationship, we have start to finish, finish to start. Let me check if I have the manual here. You have start to start, you have start to finish. We have a lot in building construction. Anyhow, this is the manual. The relationship, we have finished to start relationship. This is the preceding task, and this is the successor. After the preceding finished, the second task will start. So this relationship is finish to start. Okay, finish to start FS. And then this is the procedure. There is another type, successor. They will start in the same time. Like I said, if the whole two at the same time, start to start relationship called. And then we have also another relationship. If there is finish, when this task finish, this task also will finish. The procedure and successor, and this will have finish to finish relationship. And then you have the fourth one. When this starts, this must be finished. So when the procedure, the first task starts, second task must be finished, and this is called start to finish. And then if there is a gap between two tasks or lag, come either when you go forward, you know, at the diagram of the scheduling, or like this, when you go forward you add plus days, which is the lag days, but when you go backward you minus here, you minus the lag days. This is the beauty in the building construction. Anyway, how you have task procedure, and then you have 2 days you stop the work, maybe there are some reasons, the delay, and then you start the other work, and this lag you must add it in the schedule. If you, for example, this is if it's finished to start, okay, it's finished to start also, but there is minus 2 days like delay or lag. When you return to the if it's not before the procedure activity is fully completed, here if it's completed immediately, but here it's not completed, the first procedure task, and then you start immediately before it's completed, this is, you call it minus, like you will minus this. Anyhow, this was on the diagram calculation. We will go back to the MS project. Now this is the procedure, it's a successor task, and then here I will click, okay, let's click, right click, and then you will go to the procedures. This is the procedure successor. I want now to decide what work will begin and what's finished. Ship what ceiling and sheet roof. Actually, for me, sheet roof, because it's so meter, it doesn't take that much. Ship what ceiling demolish. It's 5 or 4 days is enough. Anyhow, both of them, I will make them start to start. So I will say the number 6 and here in the ID. Oh my god. So you click, and then don't change this name, only here in the ID. I will choose the ID of the before task, which is 6, and then here the type I will change it start to start. Okay, both of them, they will begin at the same time, finish at the same time. If there is any lag, you write it here. Okay, if there is, you stopped or this change of the schedule. Okay, now look, we make a sign. This is the start to start. Okay, and he will write for you here S, which is the ID of this task, S to S mallet, start to start. Here it is specified that start to start relationship between the 7 and the 6 task. Okay, and he make a sign in the Gantt chart. This is the Gantt chart, this is the timeline, and this is where you put your details. Okay, we have also report at the end, of course. After you have resource report, we will do this resource sheet also, and we have to do Gantt chart, the cost, you want cost. Okay, it's back. This is at the end when you take the report out, like here when you want it by diagram. It's very useful, this project, or you want it by dashboard. Okay, let's see here what we have. We have resource sheet, we have usage, resource form, we have graphs if you want it by graph. At the end, all this data will change to, and you will know where it's up, where it's down, where it's cash flow, the cash flow immediately. Task sheet, timeline, tracking Gantt. So let's check all this, and but it's very nice, not just for the construction, for another project also. So I will arrange the whole room. Carpentry joinery. After the demolition work finish, this task will start. So 7 and 10 finish to start relationship. Click here. And come to here. I'll write 7 procedures task, and then I'll write after it finish, this one will start, and it's finish to start. So okay, now I'll give you the diagram, but I didn't say how many days this carpentry. So اسمته أثر it's maybe whole room like 3, or maybe it's a big floor hall of its office. So اسمته أثر, yes, it's big. So I will here specify the days. It will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Online, as we done like 400 now, it took for us 1 month and a half. Anyhow, let's make it 1 month. It comes to here. I'll write it 30 days. Okay, especially if it's any type by design or like this. It will take 1 month, for example. Okay, if you think I want the starting, it will tell you, because it's finished to start, so it will start after this Monday, this today, Wednesday. Okay, it is like this. Anyhow, and then it will Tuesday will finish. Home is specified because we already write the task. Go to the finish to start. 87. Okay. This is finish and this is start. So he make for you from the end line and the arrow goes to the start of the second, which is the supply. And then we will go to this task, maintaining of sheetbot ceiling that already exists. Private ship or Bernardo or Balaconi. So I have 100 Asrasabat carry. Let us fix the time here, here, maintaining the shape. This is maintenance. 100. For maintaining this, I think it will take the carry is yes, a lot. So press it. Icon. Okay, and then I will go see the relationship from the two tasks. So after I do for this example, I will maintain this or make it start to start at the same time. Like if you have a lot of flavors now, you can start with just. But this is apply and fix, that means another area. And this is another area because it's maintenance. So start to start. Let's make it start to start. Then I will make it or finish to finish. Both of them they have to finish at the same time. Even can جمرهم at the same time, but they have to finish at the same time. So finish to finish. Okay. Now we are ready. Wait it for us. Then finish to finish. Okay. And then I have maintenance of existing Revit sheet for the balcony. Balcony do have okay, the area Mato Asrasabat. This of course depending on the project. Brief number. Okay, Mato Asrasabat, it's big area. Meter square actually. It's not so how many days? Two weeks is enough. Okay, if this higher days, this 2 weeks. Okay. And then immediately will count for you. But first I have to what's the relationship between the maintenance and the okay, after you finish that, start this. Finish to start. After you finish the ceiling of the rooms now, I'm gonna start the balcony, so yeah, it's logical. Okay. And this is finished to start. This is finished to finish. This is finished to start. Okay. And then I have maintained